Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and busy with the productive work these days. In the last lecture, if you remember, we had learned the topic tenses. Today, we are going to cover one of the important exercise. Before we move on further, let us have a quick recap of the tenses. Now, moving on, before we go ahead and solve the exercise, let us have a quick recap of each and every tense, starting with simple past. I studied English yesterday. Now, dear students, ये जो word है studied, it is a past of study. So, this word studied will apply to any of the pronoun, whether it is I, we, you, he, she, it, or they. So, I studied English yesterday. You can say he studied English yesterday. They studied English yesterday. Second, past continuous. Now let me tell you, continuous means the activity which was going on in past. जो activity past में हो रही थी. Here we have a very simple sentence. I was studying English. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ रहा था या पढ़ रही थी. Then he was studying English. If you talk about plural, they were studying English. Number third, past perfect. I had studied English. तो यहाँ पर जैसे आपने students देखा, I have put the word had and past participle of study, that is studied. Now many times students, what happened, there is a slight confusion between present perfect and past perfect. Let me make it very clear. If you see this picture, on the top it is present perfect. That means an activity which started in past and has some influence on present, जिसका असर अभी भी present में है. However, if we see past perfect, an event started in past and did not continue or did not have any influence on present. That means जो activity past में start हुई वो past में ही खत्म हो गई है. This is called past perfect. So let's go back to the rule of past perfect. So I had studied English. You can say he had studied English or they had studied English. Now, fourth, past perfect continuous. I had been studying English. We had been studying English. That means an activity which started in past was continuing in past and got over in past. Now let's move on to present. Simple present. Simple present basically denotes an action that happens on a regular basis or factual action. That means one kind of facts. Now here we have an easy example. I study English. If I talk about third person singular, remember that is he, she or it. So I would either put s or es or ies behind the base form of the verb. So it would be he studies English, she studies English, and we study English. Second, present continuous. I am studying English. That means कोई activity जो अभी हो रही है. So we are studying English. He is studying English. Now moving on. Present perfect. I have studied English. We have studied English. Now if I talk about third person singular, it is going to be he has studied English. It has studied English and they have studied English. Now present perfect continuous. I have been studying English. Now, in simple words, I'll put it. Present perfect continuous means an activity which started in past and has some influence in present. It is still going on. I have been studying English. You have been studying English. He has been studying English. Now, moving on. Simple future. I will study English. Simple future means an activity which will happen in future. He will study, they will study English. Now future continuous, that means कोई activity जो future में हो रही होगी. For example, I will be studying English and same applies to rest of the pronouns like he will be studying English, they will be studying English. Now moving on, future perfect. I will have studied English. Future perfect means कोई activity जो future में हो चुकी होगी. I will have studied English and the same applies with rest of the pronouns like they will have studied English, he will have studied English. Now future perfect continuous. I will have been studying English. Same applies with rest of the pronouns like you will have been studying English, he will have been studying English, she will have been studying English. So in simple words I can put it in Hindi like मैं फ्यूचर में पढ़ रही होंगी या पढ़ रहा होऊंगा. That is future perfect continuous. Now we would quickly go to the exercise wherein you would have options. Let us see. Now I'll read the instructions. Complete the following sentences using an appropriate verb form. Let us read one by one. Number one, the boys dash when the guests arrived. Now if you see carefully, you have to check the tense. Based on that, आपका option आप choose कर सकते हैं. Arrived is a past tense. Now if you see carefully, we have the right option, were playing. So the boys were playing when the guests arrived.